Hello everyone, so I am Fabian and I am a student. So here I have my first C++ project. Basically it is like an app that helps, it's like entertaining app for kids. First it displays like the username. Of course I need to provide the correct username, otherwise it will not give me access to the program. So basically I'm just gonna display so after displaying the correct username, it's gonna be display the menu. So basically I have three main options. First one is gonna be my journal. In this case I haven't written anything, so I'm just gonna write something. That. So now it should be displaying the message. The second is a calculator, so this is interesting. See, so basically it's prompting me for two numbers. The first one I'm just gonna do something wrong, so I'm just gonna say 2, 3. So it's gonna be displaying a valid operator, of course, because instead of providing a valid operator, I just provided a number. So let's do that correctly. Just gonna say 2, it's gonna be plus 3, and it will give me 5. I could do the same. Trying to use something different. I don't know, 10. It's gonna give me 5. Likewise, I can try to do something I don't know, 40 divided by, I don't know, 2. It's gonna give me 20. So it works with different operators. The third one and the last one is gonna be a guess number. So this could be hard, but it's up to the user. So for right now I'm just gonna do a 10. So basically it's gonna give me guess a number between 1 and 10. It's gonna say 5. If my number is too high, of course it's gonna display too high. Try again. Let's do 3. Try again. 2. And if I do when someone guesses the number, it's gonna display congratulations and the time of guesses. Yeah, but if you wanna make the game harder, you can even do a 50 or I don't know 100 or something else. But just gonna try to guess the number. Yeah. So yeah, basically that is my of course when I type 0, it's gonna quit the program. So yeah, basically this is the program. It's interesting for me that while I was learning C++, the classes, it's kind of a different. It's even different. I was used to Python or C++, C#, but for this one you need to create two different classes. One when you specify the methods, and the other one when you actually tell the program what the method is supposed to do. So yeah, this is my project. Thank you for your time.